So guys, welcome to today's video on this channel. Here is a new benefit from SuperEx. SuperEx is my favorite trading platform and I always bring to you guys every opportunity to earn from this platform. So here is the first opportunity to earn from this platform this month of April. There is a trading adventure that you guys can enjoy and start earning for yourself. Feature trading event is live. Trade feature and get rewarded. First trade loss will cover it up to 100 USDT. Hit the leaderboard and win up to 1000 USDT future fund. And you have 10 days guys to enjoy this benefit. So all I have to do guys is to watch this video as I put you through the processes on how to engage on futures trading. The first thing guys, you need to create an account on this platform, and doing so is very simple guys. I'll drop a link in the video description. Tap on that link guys, provide all the simple information and create your account. Then verification on SuperEx is very super easy. Once your account has been verified, then you are good to go. So I'm sure you can do that. And if you have any difficulties in doing that, just let me know in the comment section and I'll guide you through all the processes. Now, let's go to the future tradings on our mobile device. So guys, here is the trading platform on my mobile device. You can as well access the same page on your web browser. So now the first thing you have to do is to come back to this place guys and add some fund to your account. So tap on deposit button. Once tap on deposit button, it comes up like this. Then in the search bar, search for USDT. Then under USDT, you can send your token through any of these network from Binance, TRC, Polygon, Avalanche, ERC, and others. Now that you send your money to this platform using any of this network, then guys, you are good to go. Meanwhile, this video is for educational purpose, not a financial advice video. And we are trading on futures trading. So come over and tap on this button and press hold. It comes up like this. Tap on features. Once tap on features, it comes up like this. You can select any of this coin or token that you want to trade on features, and it's very simple guys to do so. To come back to this button that says BTC USDT button, tap on it. From here you select the trading pairs you want. You can see the market is fully red, so you select the pairs you want. So as it may be guys, I will still stick to the original one, BTC USDT. The next thing you have to do is to tap on the arrow at the front of isolated to be sure that you use a proper trading system. So guys, I'll be covering two important button here, the cross and the isolated. So what is cross? Cross means that the system will trade from any amount you have in your funding wallet, which is not really good for a beginner like you. So you need to have a knowledge on how to do that. So guys, I will encourage you use the isolated. But what is cross margin? For example, you have 1000 USDT on your trading wallet on SuperEx and you eventually choose cross, and you predict that the market is going upward but the market is going downward, and you know when it's going downward, against your prediction you are losing money. Now instead of the system to liquidate you or to send you out of the market when the specific amount you want to trade on the market is 200 USDT, the system will know that it go to the main account on your trading wallet and start trading. This puts your account to a high risk of losing all your assets on this platform. So I always encourage you guys to tap on isolated. Now isolated is the opposite of cross. For example, as well, you have 1000 USDT on your trading wallet and you decided to trade just 200 USDT out of this 1000 USDT, and the market go against your prediction. Instead of the system to go to your main account and make the remaining amount of USDT on your account to start trading, the system will liquidate you, thereby keeping the remaining 200 USDT on your account. I think this is very good strategy you need to emulate. The next one is to tap on this 5x button. We call this one leverages guys. As a new beginners, don't trade above or beyond or above 5x. 5x, yes, though you may try and think that you're going to win. If it does not come out the way you plan, then you'll be quickly sent out of the market and you lose all your money. So guys, I encourage you to trade between 3x to 5x. You can tap on the minus button here to increase the volume of S and plus button to increase the volume of S, which is leverage. Now you may think, what does 5x mean? For example, you are trading with 100 USDT and you pick 5x, it means this time will be trading on 500 USDT. That's simple and easy. The next button that I consider you understand is this button. Tap on this small button here. This particular button gives you access to or give you a clue to what has happened to the market based on the time frame you select from up here. You can have this up to 4 hours, 12 hours up to 1 week. Then you know what has happened to the market in a specific time you select on this place. That is how that works. Now the next thing now is to explain what is open log and open short on this platform. You can see guys, you have open, then under open you have what is called limit and market. So let me quickly explain the market. Market mean you buy any token at the current price of that token. So the on this one now we are trading BTC and the current price of BTC is 85,000 and $5 point something cents. You can see that here. So enter the amount of USDT you want to buy. You can use this one to drag and enter the amount you want to buy, then tap on open long. It means guys you enter the market at the current price. Then if you tap on this, the next one which is limit. Limit is a bit uh, good to me because it gives me a chance to enter the market at my convenient price. Don't forget that this is the current price of BTC, and you think that the price of BTC is coming down based on your analytics, and you want to enter the market at your convenient price. You enter that price into this place. The amount you want to invest, you enter it here in form of USDT. Then you tap on open long or open short. Then the system will once the price fall to your specified price, then the system will trigger your action and it keep trading for you. Now, you may ask, what is open long and open short? Let me quickly explain open long and open short. In crypto world, when you say something is open long, it means the price of any token is going to increase. For example, if you predict that the price of BTC against USDT is going to increase from 85,000 to 87,000, 88,000, then it means you tap on open long, predicting that the price of BTC will increase. And if you think that the price of BTC will keep coming down or keep going down, you tap on open short. That is why it is indicated with red color. So guys, this is the simple process, guys, on how to use this particular strategies, guys, and earn from SuperEx. If you do enjoy this tip and if you're not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel. Tap the notification icon as letter so that you're notified when we drop an important update on this channel. Thank you guys. See you soon on our next video.